How to add shapes in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add shapes in Figma, perfect for creating buttons, icons, layouts and more. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then go to the toolbar and click the shape icon, that's the little square, or simply place R for rectangle, O for circle, or use the drop down to pick other shapes like line, arrow, polygon or star. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. Hold shift to make it perfectly square or circle. With the shape selected, use the right hand panel to change the fill color, stroke, border, radius or even add shadows and effects. You can easily resize, rotate or duplicate the shape to fit your design. And that's it. This is how you add shapes on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.